I'm right where I should be. And when the road is getting rough, I never doubt my blessing. Cause I know it, I'm right where I should be.
Your dream, you're drowning. I just walked in and saved you. I'm your alternate escape route, the altar you pray to, your ultimate savior. Your behavior is altered, ain't your fault cause I made you. Brainwash and persuade you. Thunderstorm is past you. You weathered it and poked its eye out with the thorn bush that you used to smell the roses. Stop to inhale, can't even tell your nose is stuffed. So focused on the bright side, then you floor the gas pedal and hit the corner fast. Always ride, whatever the plan is, to the end. Even if I led us into an ambush, even if we robbed the First National and cops caught us red-handed, they're coming at us and we're trapped with our backs up. I can see the light, now I'm running to it. What the fuck should I knew it? Who would think she'd actually had a balls to do it? As soon as I hopped in it, she doused the car with lighter fluid. She's standing there with a rag, about to put the lighter to it. Lit the fucking thing on fire and she although today you may weep cause you're weakened, and everything seems so bleak and hopeless, the light that you're seeking, it begins deceiving. That's the only thing keeping you from leaping off the mother freaking deep end. All I know is you love me, that's really all that matters. And any who cross our path are just collateral damage. At your side, got your lateral back, your front diagonal backwards. Blackbirds, we attack like animals. And I'm pulling for you to push through this feeling, and with a little time that should do the healing. And by tomorrow you may even feel so good that you're willing to forgive them, even after all the shit you've been put through. This feeling of resilience is building, and the flames are burning quick as fire. Went through this building, you're sealed in, but your fireproof flame retardant, you withstood it. And as you climb up to the roof, you're just chilling, you look down cause you're so over it.